guys, NinjaCraft here, and well, today we have a package. I'm hoping it's my piriminx, my speed cube piriminx. Oh, there's actually a hole over here, so open it like this. Ooh, it has bubble wrappings in it. And whoa. Ooh, okay, that seems to be it. Okay, so it's a what is it? It's a QE piriminx, so let's open it. Okay. Yeah, it's a Defantix brand. First impression. Whoa. Nice. Yeah, it's nice. It's good. It's really good. I like the stickerless stickers because, I don't know, it has a nice feeling to it. Oh, and it comes with booklet. It's a Mofang Gi. Yeah. And it basically just has instructions to solve piriminx, but we already know how to solve piriminx, and this is a really nice cube, actually. Oh, and you can't break off the tips because, where is it? With this, my old piriminx, you could break off the tips. But, yeah, and let's put it back together. Yep. My old piriminx, like you can see, there's a bigger hole in the center, but with my old piriminx, it's very small. That makes it better corner cutting. So, like, this corner cutting, like, it could still corner cut. Like, it's amazing. So, yeah. And let's compare these two piriminxes. So, let's scramble them the same way. So, yeah. Okay, guys, so, I scrambled both of these cubes up, so they're all different. So, I'll first start with the non-speed cube. So, okay. $13.89, so that's good. Okay, next for brand new speed cube. Okay, let's inspect. Oh, my least favorite case. Okay, 15.8. So, even though I got a bad case, I still got a pretty good time because I guess what you could call a PLL skip. So, like, I do the layer by layer method, but I didn't have to do another algorithm to solve everything. So, let's do that thing again. So, scramble everything up. Okay. Inspect this. No, actually, no. Let's do the same. Inspect. Okay. Think. Yeah. Okay. Okay. 14.89. So, yeah, let's see how I can get anything better. Okay. I don't know. Oh, this is hard. Decisions. I think I have to go for this one. Okay. yes, 11.85. So you can see the difference there. Now for the last time, I'll do the same scramble to see which one. Yeah, I can get faster. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's the same scramble. So let's solve. I'll do my non-speed cube first. My speed cube first. Okay. Okay, 13.40. 14, I mean. Okay, so I got 13.14. So let's see if I can get anything better. Okay, 11.93. So I don't know, but I like this one better. I don't know what I did wrong there, but I don't know. Okay, now let's scramble it again. This is just so much fun to play. I like here, and it comes with a stand. But don't ask me how this is supposed to work. I guess, supposed to like go like this. It doesn't work like this. Actually, it does. Well, it can't. You have to raise it up to make it actually work. But because if you lie it on, it wouldn't fit. So yeah, it's a cube. I don't know how to pronounce it. Scrambled cubes. And I'm going to give an easier scramble to this non-speed cube. To just prove this one's better. Okay. Let's get started. Wow. No. Oh, what just happened? Okay. I still can do this. Still possible. Okay, 14.90. So 14.90. So I seem to average about 14 seconds on that one. Okay. Let's see which one. Okay. Oh, muy. Okay, 16.20. So there, I just proved it that this is better. So let's just, I don't know, scramble it like this. See how fast we get it. 3, 2, 1. Yes. 2.1. That was a terrible scramble, but boy, 2.71. Okay, let's finish. Let's do this. What just happened? Oh boy. Okay, DNF. Here, can I finish this? 3. Okay. 6 seconds, boy. That was actually a good scramble there. Yeah, so this is a good cube, actually. Fairly good. Pretty good. Yeah, so I think I'll average. Yes, so I'm very excited for the competition. Oh boy. Oh, okay, 10.85. Anyway, I'm very excited for the competition, and this time, so my friend's coming, and he's a pretty good cuber. He gets like a 23 average, so it's gonna be mainly like if I practice a lot for 3x3. Anyway, he gets a 23 average for 3x3, and I usually get like a 25-ish average. So if I get lucky, then I'll definitely do good on it. And for piriminx, he averages about 16, so I'm in luck because I'm a new piriminx. It's like it go 14 seconds, so I'll beat him by like 2 seconds. Anyway, for 2 by 2, he averages about like 7 seconds-ish. So I'll beat him because my goal is a 6-second average. So yeah, to prove, because you people never believe me at all, I'll scramble. Okay, if I get a 7-second average, then I'll have to do something crazy. Okay, if I do get a 7-second solve, that's if. Okay, so it's a 7-second average, of course, so I'll do something crazy. Okay, guys, so I have finally decided I'm going to toilet paper myself, so yeah. Sure. Okay, guys, so you can see here, I have almost fully toilet papered myself. There, I'll just band it around there, break it. Woo! I just toilet papered myself. So, yeah, that'll be it, guys. See you guys next time. Leave a like for your support because, yeah. See you guys next time. Goodbye.